Continuation to Cauchy-Euler equation. Example 3. Solve x square d square plus 2xd minus 12 into y equal to x cube log x. Given equation is x square d square plus 2xd minus 12 into y equal to x cube log x. Let x is equal to e power z implies z is equal to log x. X square d square means d into d minus 1 plus 2 into xd means d minus 12 into y equal to x cube. X means e power z, e power 3z into log x means z. D square minus d plus 2d means plus 1d minus 12 into y equal to e power 3z into z. Auxiliary equation is d square plus 1d minus 12 is equal to 0. D square plus 4d minus 3d minus 12 equal to 0. D into d plus 4 minus 3 into d plus 4 is equal to 0. D plus 4 into d minus 3 is equal to 0. D equal to minus 4 comma 3. Here roots are two different roots. So complementary function is equal to c1 into e power minus 4z plus c2 into e power 3z. This is equal to c1 into e power z means x power minus 4 plus c2 into e power z means x, so x cube. This is equal to c1 by x power 4 plus c2 into x cube. This is complementary function. Particular integral is equal to 1 by d square plus d minus 12 into RHS e power 3z into z. This is f of d into y is equal to e power ax into x power m. If it is so, put d is equal to d plus a then particular integral is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into x power m. By using this, we can write this particular integral. Put d is equal to d plus 3. So 1 by d means d plus 3. d plus 3 whole square plus d plus 3 minus 12 into e power 3z into z. This is equal to this, right? E power 3z here. E power 3z into 1 by e power 3z into 1 by simplifying this denominator, d plus 3 whole square plus d plus 3 minus 12, d square plus 7d into z. Here f of d into y is equal to x power m. If it is so, we can write this 1 plus x whole power minus 1 or 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This is equal to e power 3z into 1 by 7d plus d square into z. Particular integral is equal to e power 3z into 1 by 7d into 1 plus d by 7 into z. This is equal to e power 3z into 1 by 7d into, you take this denominator to numerator, 1 plus d by 7 whole power minus 1 into z. This is equal to e power 3z by 7d into 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus and so on. So by using this, we can write 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x. What is x? D by 7 into z. This is equal to e power 3z by 7d into 1 into z minus 1 by 7 into d into z. Differentiating z with z. So d into z means 1. This is equal to e power 3z by 7d into z minus 1 by 7. This is equal to e power 3z by 7 into 1 by d into z minus 1 by 7 is equal to e power 3z by 7. So 1 by z into z, sorry, 1 by d into z, integrating z, we get z square by 2 minus integrating 1 by 7. So 1 by d into 1 by 7 means z by 7. This is equal to e power 3z by 7 into, take LCM, 14, 7z square minus 2z. This is equal to e power 3z by 7 into 7z square minus 2z by 14. This is equal to e power 3z means we can write this x cube by 7 into 14, 98, 7 z means log x whole square minus 2 into z means log x. This is particular integral. So particular integral is equal to x cube by 98 into 7 into log x. This is log x whole square minus 2 into log x. So general solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to complementary function. Complementary function c1 by x power 4 plus c2 into x cube plus particular integral x cube by 98 into 7 into log x whole square minus 2 into log x. This is final answer. So y is equal to c1 by x power 4 plus c2 into x cube plus x cube by 98 into 7 log x whole square minus 2 into log x.